Hiya, this is Jim here at Tarn Forge. Today I'm going to be building a simple propane forge burner. There's not too many components to it. You don't need any really complicated tooling. I think the hardest thing what you'll have to get hold of is probably a welding set, but I'm sure if you haven't got one you'll probably know somebody who has. I'll show you bits what I'm going to be using anyway. Here we've got main part of forge burner is a piece of 25mm inside diameter pipe by 300mm long. That's mild steel. It's just been cleaned up, clean paint off it, ready for welding. Also a piece of that's 40mm inside diameter pipe, 60mm long, and that's for flare on end of burner. Also another piece of pipe, this is 35mm inside diameter, 70mm long, and I'm going to be using this as a choke. This is so you can control flame on propane burner. You can fine tune it a little bit. It'll make sense as video goes along. Here we've got the business end. This is a MIG tip. This is what will be firing the gas down into the forge burner and ultimately into a forge. It creates a Venturi effect. It drags air in behind it and we choke it up. This is a hose connector, a brass hose connector. I think it's to 6mm pipe or 8mm pipe. I'll get a definite measure on that as video goes on. I've tapped this out so it screws into it nice and easy. Also we've got some other components, 30mm by 6mm washer, an M10 nut by 30mm bolt. Right, I've made some markings on the 300 by 25 internal diameter pipe. I've marked it 35mm down from one end and put a line all the way around at that measurement. And then as you can see there's these other lines running down the choke burner. This is they're about 5mm apart. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut down the side of each line and then cut this part away to create an opening for air to come in. I'm just going to do it with a hacksaw. You can do it with a grinder if you want, with a cutting disc in. As I said, I'm just going to cut down each line. Try and get them both at the same time. Nice and slow. There you go. That's one cut on both sides. It's not perfectly straight, but I don't think that'll affect it too much. Same again. Just a careful start. Hopefully get it a bit straighter. Right, I'm just going to join the two cuts. Same on this side. I'll file some of those sharp edges off and straighten them cuts up a bit as well. This is what you want to be looking to do. This is creating an opening for air to get in. Air and gas. I'm now going to weld, or tack weld, the 30mm by 6 washer to the top of the forge burner and the notches we've just cut out. Just going to tack at either side and central, so the hole's as relatively central as you can get it. So here we go. Pop that on there. Glove on. The welding mask it out. Right, there we go. Right, just a tiny tack. And one on the side. Beef them up a bit. Magic. That's quite central. There we go. Not the best of welding, but strong enough for this job. I've come over to Anvil for this next part of the job. It's just a bit easier to do it, that's all. You could do it on a bench, anything like that. What I've done, I've cut a 50mm spacer, and that's our same diameter tube as what the forge burner body is. I'm going to sit this inside the piece what we cut for the flare. It's just to get some of it so it's stable, so I can get a good weld on it, a good tack on it, and then I can weld right rest of it once I've squared it all up, levelled it up. So here we go. That's it. Try and get it as central as possible. It's not the easiest of jobs on my own. I'll have a go. A little tack. That's not too bad. Try and get the gap as even as I can all the way around. Just come back to the vise because it's a bit easier to level stuff up and grip it. Get hold of the job. Just going to get a few more tacks around it. Level it up all the way. Pull it. Just level. Sound. Tack on the other side. Right, go for a weld. Weld it right up. Do opposite quarters so it doesn't pull too much. Right, good, that's the flare mounted. Just a little bit closer. See it? Just filled all that gap in. So don't want any air going in to back at flare. Causes a bit of an unstable flame. Not the best of welding, but hey ho. Right, this is the piece of pipe what I'm going to use for the choke on the burner. Earlier on in the video I told you it was 35mm inside diameter, 70mm long. I've not bored you with video of drilling and all. It's 20mm from one end, and I'm just going to put in or tack in this M10 nut and bolt. You could use an M10 wig nut instead, or M8 if you want, up to you, whatever you've got lying about. Good. Just one more tack, that'll be enough. You don't have to fully weld it. Right, this is it. This is with choke on. As you can see, it slides up and down. The body at burner, and you can lock it off with nuts. Right, we'll get onto business end. This is an M6 hose connector. Usually it comes with a backing nut on like that, but what I've done for this job is discarded that, and I've tapped it on inside with an M6 tap, because that's what the MIG tip is. It's M6 by 1mm. That goes into there, just like that. That's the tap what I used. Clamped it in vice, little dab of oil, just kept screwing it in, and it creates a thread. Alright, just to complete the build, finishing camera a bit better. The MIG tip goes into there, and the hose connector goes on there, and then we'll connect it up to some gas, and I'll show you it working outside, and then I'll show you it working inside forge as well. Right, this is a little setup of my propane bottle. I've got a half bar to 4 bar regulator. You can't see it really good there. Half bar to 4 bar regulator. I've got a bit of a pressure gauge, and I put my own lever valve in. I've got it running through. It's a forge burner. See jet there, or orifice. Down to flare. There's this choke. Right, so what I'll do, I'll light it up. That's on half a bar. Choke fully open. In fact, it's not even on half a bar. It's really, really low. That's half a bar. That's better. That's it running at half a bar. Shorten up a bit. Better flying. Nice control and choke. There you go. Choke fully closed. So get it all in. There you go. Crank it up a bit, put it up to, I don't know, half a bar, 10 psi, something like that. So then we'll go to a bar. Choked up. Same again, as promised, a shot of it running in forge. That's it, just running at half a bar. Get a bit of choke on that, choke's wide open. just half a bar. I'll crank it up a bit. Hope you enjoyed the video.